Ich geeth moch rav und skriven, ni dieren modles gerol. Skeith mo fan golben kelde, dich nielde de dov glekorm. Briniks rum njagne njedarn, as ma life jedin jas muish. Dortich dig voor dillen, de doven chwillen gnaskalish. My hand is crammed with pen work, my quill has a tapered point. Its bird mouth issues a blue dark, beetle sparkle of ink. Wisdom keeps welling in streams from my fine drawn sallow hand. River run on the vellum of ink from green holly bark. My small runny pen keeps going through books, through thick and thin, to enrich the scholar's holdings, pen work that cramps my hand. Schienen me fan meg mrenach, tarenach leverligo, kan skar fri shelve sheran, Jean skith moch rav on skrivan.